Romantasy is a beautiful word. It is a promise. It whispers of two worlds meeting. It blends the grand scope of fantasy with the intimate pulse of romance. Imagine a world where ancient spells are whispered on the wind, where mythical creatures stalk through enchanted forests, and where kingdoms are poised on the brink of war. Now, place a powerful, undeniable love story at its center. That is Romantasy. Readers open these books expecting an escape, a journey into the unknown, anchored by the most familiar human force, love. To write compelling Romantasy, honor its two core components as equal partners. The fantasy element is the grand architecture of your story. This is your world. This is your magic system. This is your political conflict. This is your ancient prophecy. Give this part structure and logic, even within wonder. The reader must grasp the rules. If magic exists, what can it do? And more importantly, what can it not do? Are there costs or consequences for using it? The romance is the emotional core, the beating heart. Center the relationship. Let it drive decisions and growth. Test their connection with genuine internal and external trials. Intertwine love and magic, so each shapes the other. This synergy is the essence of great Romantasy. The magnetic pull of Romantasy satisfies two desires at once: the desire for escape and the desire for connection. We crave the unknown, where the impossible becomes possible, where forgotten secrets wait in ancient forests, and destinies are forged in fire and magic. Fantasy offers escape, a vacation for the soul. But we carry our hearts with us. We crave connection and empathy. We may not ride dragons, but we know the thrum of a crush, the pang of longing, the comfort of home. Romantasy marries danger's thrill with love's safety. It tells us the strongest magic is the bond between two people. Love gives us strength to face any darkness, and hearts hold magic of their own. Every grand epic begins with a small seed. Do not start by building an entire universe or plotting a trilogy. Start with one concept that excites you. This is the spark that sustains you. Find one intriguing what-if question. What if magic can only be performed by two people in love? Or, what if every spell costs a precious memory? What if enemies must marry to end a centuries-long war? What if they're invisible to all but their true love? Write your idea in one sentence. Your guiding star. Example: a healer who absorbs others' injuries teams with a cursed knight whose wounds never heal. Let your core idea marinate, then build from there. With your core idea set, build the skeleton, world, and magic. Remember, rules create tension. If magic can do anything, there are no stakes. Limits and costs make struggles feel real. Ask, who can use magic? Born with it? Learned? Granted? Define the cost. Fatigue, lifespan, memories, dulled emotions, rare ingredients. If saving their love drains their life, the choice devastates and compels. Let your world feel like a character that shapes plot and romance. Design the setting to reflect your core idea. Extreme climates echo a fiery, icy bond. For rebellions, let architecture embody oppression and resistance. Make geography create obstacles and opportunities for love. Keep it simple. Build only what your story needs now. Focus where the story lives. You can expand later. A wondrous world is only as interesting as its people. In Romantasy, the leads are the heartbeat. We must connect with them, root for them, feel them. Give each a clear external want and a deeper internal need. Wants: win a crown, cure a curse, escape oppression. Needs: humility, trust, forgiveness. Chemistry is more than attraction. It's dynamic interaction. Let tenderness and vulnerability crack their armor. Show how they complement each other's strengths and blind spots. Give both agency, goals, skills, impact. Let them rescue each other in different ways and at different times. When strong individuals choose love, the union feels powerful and true. Plot and romance must be woven into one tapestry. Aim for scenes that serve plot and relationship. In action, thread in moments that deepen feeling. In intimacy, reveal information that changes the plot. After each scene, check both boxes. Pace reveals. Avoid front-loading lore or backstory. Let readers discover with your protagonist. Build rising romantic tension to a climax and resolution. Align with key fantasy turns. Time confessions at turning points to maximize impact. Let intimacy and epic scale amplify each other. In Romantasy, show beats tell. Don't write, "She was angry." Show the fists, The bite of nails. Let anger crackle in gestures and cadence. Don't tell us they're in love. Show tenderness in small specific actions and memory. Let micro-gestures reveal the heart. Show world rules in action. Let readers learn by experiencing. Let dialogue hint, mask, and tease. Subtext builds chemistry. Even small talk can buzz with unspoken meaning. Use dialogue to reveal character and move the plot. Trust the reader to read between the lines. You now have the map and the compass for your romantasy journey. Aim for thrilling escapism and deep emotional resonance. The path looks long. Start small. Be gentle. Each small act of creation builds momentum. Practice. Write their first meeting. Focus on body language and dialogue. Try a short scene where a small rule complicates a tender moment. If you lose the heart, reconnect world building to character feelings. If love solves too easily, raise consequences and stakes. These challenges are normal. Be patient with your story and yourself. Write the world you yearn to visit, the love you long to feel. Your grand adventure is waiting. All you have to do is write the first word.